My name is Charlie.
I'm Ross.
I'm Thomas.
And I'm Lucas, and this is our ME670 final project. So the goal of this project was to observe what happens when we put a microcontroller on a quadcopter and to analyze some of the controls that it uses to stabilize the quadcopter.
Yeah, so kind of what goes into a quadcopter, we bought a transmitter and a receiver. That is used so we can actually have handheld control of the quadcopter. Obviously we're using an Arduino for pretty much the brain of it, being able to do all the calculations. We bought some ESCs and props online on Amazon. Amazon's great for buying like very cheap quadcopter parts. We got some LiPo battery that's powering it over time, and of course an accelerometer or gyro to pretty much sense what position and what angle is the quadcopter at through all instances of time during the flight. A lot of the code is very hard to do it on your own, so we had a lot of help with online people putting up guides on how to make this work. But it was a good project. Over time we built it, tested different parts. We had to calibrate it a lot, make sure we got the calibration right. We tested it outside in the courtyard, and now it is a pretty good working quadcopter.
One of the nice things actually about this project is that as far as our club is concerned, the Students for the Exploration and Development of Space, we can actually utilize this in our own endeavors. So one idea that we'd had is taking a wireless camera and mounting it on here so that we can actually take aerial shots of launches of our rockets. And then another side project that we had talked about is actually putting a tow cable on this and being able to tow a solid booster into the air so that we can drop the booster and try and land the booster on the ground using thrust.
Yeah. So it was a great project. Thank you.
Thanks.